What's up, YouTube? This is going to be the intro video, I guess, to the channel that I'm going to start. Anyway, today we're making some jack pads or rig pads for tractor trailers, you know, so they don't sink in the mud. Quite easy process, but get it on film, get it recorded, and I guess teach you how to make some jack pads. I got 1,000,001 projects going on. We're going to be building a shed later, four-wheeler, which is a 86 TRX 250R, which is being just rebuilt, redone. You know, just showing you some projects to come here. This is the TRX motor. It's going to be awesome. Built by BHP. Shout out to Bubba. Obviously the V. Well, you guys don't know about the V, but here's the V. Getting the Pro Charger bolted on. Getting an entire new fuel system. There's the charger on the ground. Please excuse the garage. It's a mess. Like I said, we need a shed. So, run out of space. We need a place to put all these projects. So, anyway, back to the jack pads. Show you how I'm building them. So, yay for the last cut. There's the stack of all the wood that we cut, or that I cut rather, to make these landing pads for the rigs. Jones, is this hot? No, that's grass. You've been rolling around in grass, baby. You've been rolling around in grass. Yeah. So, anyway, what I'm using here, these are 2x10s. There was 24 in all, in total. And you get 5 blocks out of each one, so this will make, let's see, 30. It'll make 30 stands, 30 individual stands, you know, so there's 2 per trailer, right? Two landing gear per trailer, so it'll make enough for 13 trailers. And yeah, all we do is they're measured so that, you know, they're a cube basically. 2x10 is 9 1/8 wide, and so the whole thing is 18 1/4 basically. So 2 on top going one way and 2 on the other way, and then I'll glue them, screw them together, give them a handle, and you got yourself a landing pad. Relatively inexpensive. You know, I'm sure you're, oh my god, why 30 landing pads? I actually got an order for 60 of them. So yeah, this will make 30. I made 15 last night. This is 30, and I'll have 15 more. So total of 48, 2x10 by 8 foot. Went with 8 foot for the price, and obviously, and there's very little waste. You know, this is how much you waste off of it, and that'll make some great firewood for the wife. Because here in Midland, Texas, there's not a lot of trees, and firewood is expensive. So let me get to showing you how I put these together. Okay, so let me show you how I'm assembling these. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, right? To make it a square, 2x10s again are 9 1/8. So this is 18 1/4. So it's 18 1/4 by 18 1/4, and it's a full 3 inches thick. So the bottom 2 are going, you know, this way, and the top 2 are lateral to them. So I do run a bead of glue in the middle, as you're going to see, and I'll start with this side first, like this, rather. Yeah, whatever. You'll see when I put the next one together. But I have the screws in this pattern, right, through here, 2 in the middle, 2 in the middle, and 2 outside, and then when you flip it over, which this is what I'm calling the top. And when I put the handles on, you'll see I put them on so that this is kind of recognized as the top. And the screws are kind of in almost a circle pattern, right? So the landing gear would go here. You know, some of you might ask why you need landing gear. You know, others should know, I guess, truck drivers, things like that. But trailers sink. You know, you got, I'm specifically working in chemicals. You got 42,000 pounds of chemical with an 8,000 pound trailer that's 50,000 pounds on 2 little landing gears like that. And this is Midland, Texas, which is sand. This is the desert. So tanks sink all the time, even if it's dry out. If it's wet, forget about it. But let me show you how I put one of these together. So this is, you know, as my little assembly line process is how I finish off. All right. 2 new boards to start the next pad. You know, I already got 5 done, 5 or 6 done from since I left off cutting. But this is just the quick construction adhesive, nothing fancy. But run a zigzag pattern. Right, the glue is important to really keep these from cracking. Nothing too special about 2x10. And if you're familiar with lumber at all, this builder's lumber is susceptible to cracking. So start 2 going that way, and I put the 2 on here going this way, using 2.5 inch outdoor screws. Right, 2.5 inch gets a good depth on there. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. It gets a good depth, but doesn't poke through to the other side. Right. And on this side, I start with the corner, being sure to, you know, staying off the edge. Again, because lumber likes to crack. After every, you know, the first couple screws, I square it all back up, make sure it's good to go. Come back down here in this corner, make sure it's square. Send one home. Now before I screw these 2 in, make sure it's pushed together, because, you know, I can still take it and wiggle it apart, wiggle the 2 bottom boards apart. So take one here. And that's good. Now I don't really need to square anything up anymore, because everything's pretty well fastened. It shouldn't get out of place. So again, staying off the crack, or I mean staying off the edge so that it doesn't crack. And then also, you know, don't get to burying your screw too deep. I don't have the clutch on because I don't like using the clutch on a screw gun. Unless I'm doing drywall. So that's one side, right? Take that, flip it over. Okay, it looks nice and square, nice and smooth. And then this side's a, you know, a different pattern. So this is what we call, or what I call rather, or what I expect drivers in the field to use as the top of the, see, and this screw is going to hit right here on that bottom. See that there. And that's one. Wait, I'm missing a couple screws there, see? I got a little excited myself. Quality control. So, there you have it. You know, the last thing to do at this point is put a handle on it, so you know they're easy to grab. But hopefully, you know, it's going to be kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see where this screw is. I'll kind of hold my finger there to where this screw is, right? And then over here, it's catching, you know, both sides of both 2x10s, right? So you don't have to use an excessive amount of screws. You know, I don't have to put one here, 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 here. You know, which would be what, 2, 4, 6, 8. So there'd be 16 aside, and rather I'm using 16 total. With the glue, you know, these are as sturdy as can be, right? So you get a little edge shot there, and then that's pretty much it. Tack a handle to it. Handles can be a little tricky, but you'll see that in a little bit. Let me turn off the radio quick. Can you hear me now? Okay. So, yeah, anyway, just some fencing staples. Nice, simple, easy, breezy design. Get those started. I put it through about 1 inch. Beat it in there. See, that one started to crack out a little bit. So if it starts to come out a little bit, I'll put a second staple over there to hold it down. Right, guys are gonna yank on these in the field, and they don't want it to come apart on them, right? The oil field isn't exactly known for being easy on equipment. So anyway, that's it. That's pretty much the done product. I'll take my little propane torch and I'll hit the ends to kind of fray them so it doesn't, not fray them because they are frayed. What am I thinking of? Here, singe them? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, that's it. And that's a done deal. Got yourself a landing pad for running gear on a tractor trailer. Like I said, I got to order 60 of these. Again, you're like, 60? What the heck? Why 60? So, the oil field is like the army, where stuff comes up missing all the time. So, I'm going to get these 30 done. I already got the 15 done. I'll have 15 more to do tomorrow. Hopefully I can get these done before my game comes on. So, let's get to buttoning these up. Well. Good right? Hey, come on. Hey. More training. Woo! It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know if I got the camera angle. Wait, say hi. Say hi. 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 Yeah. Perfect. Hey, welcome back from the time lapse. Was it good music? Leave a comment below if you didn't like the time lapse music. Don't know what I'm going to use yet, but at any rate, again, first video to start the channel off. 2019 is going to be fun. So here's the stack of the finished product. Again, I still got to use the torch to melt those ends a little bit so they don't fray. But I got that stack left to go, and yeah. So, stay tuned. You know, 2019 is going to be a fun year. We got a lot of projects. Obviously, we got the V again. The four-wheeler. Going to have some go-karts and trikes and things and all sorts of stuff to have fun with. Hopefully, we can maybe get LSA supercharger on the pickup truck here. That's something I've wanted to do for a while. The truck in its form right now, which is just a 6.2, and headers and tune, brakes and things like that, does 14.1. I'm gonna have the boat, hopefully. Right, that's an expensive project. Don't know if I'm gonna get to it, but the next video will probably be the shed. So, if you like the content, by all means, only if you like the content, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell and like, and I'll see you next time. Oh, I need to come up with a name and a catchphrase for this channel. So, you got any suggestions? By all means, leave them. Thanks.
Oh, there he is. You guys done for me? You guys done for me? Oh, kisses from Jonesy, sit. Okay, hand him. Come on, give him to Dad. Give him to Dad. Thank you. Oh. Where's that one? Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Down.
You want more? Oh.
Dominant.
Whoa. Screw gun.